In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export your video as an MP4 file inside of Filmora. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Filmora like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to the right hand corner called Export. And when this picture is popping up, you need to click the local one up here. Then from here, you can see you can either change the name if you want to. You can save it to direct library of your choice. You can change the preset if you want to do that. But down here in format, you can change it from MP4 to any of these versions over here. And for this example, I'm just gonna choose MP4. Then from here, I can change the quality if I want to do that. I can change the resolution, and this is part of the resolution, of course. The frame rate, and when I'm done with all of it, I can click export. And because I have the free version, I need to click export with a little watermark. And as you can see right here, now it has been exported successfully as an MP4 file. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!